Hello friends, welcome to our jungle adventure to learn some amazing jungle animals. Elephant. This is an elephant, big and grey with a long trunk. Lion. This is a lion, the king of the jungle. Tiger. This is a tiger, orange with black stripes. Monkey. This is a monkey. Monkeys love to swing and play in trees. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks to reach tall trees. Zebra. These are zebras. Zebras have black and white stripes all over their bodies. Snake. This is a snake. Snakes slither on the ground with no legs. Parrot. These are parrots. Parrots are colorful birds that can copy sounds. Gorilla. This is a gorilla. Gorillas are strong apes that live in groups. Crocodile. This is a crocodile. Crocodiles live near rivers and have big jaws. Leopard. This is a leopard. Leopards are fast hunters with spotted coats. Hippopotamus. This is a hippopotamus. Hippos spend most of their time in water. Rhinoceros. This is a rhinoceros. Rhinoceros have a big horn on their nose. Chimpanzee. This is a chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are clever apes that use tools. Peacock. This is a peacock. Peacocks spread their colorful tails to show off. Deer. These are deer. Deer are gentle animals with antlers on their heads. Wild boar. This is a wild boar. Wild boars have tusks and love to dig in the ground. Toucan. This is a toucan. Toucans have big, bright beaks for eating fruits. Sloth. This is a sloth. Sloths move very slowly and hang from trees. Antelope. These are antelopes. Antelopes run quickly to escape danger. Hyena. These are hyenas. Hyenas make laughing sounds and live in packs. Panther. This is a panther. Panthers are black, big cats that hunt at night. Orangutan. This is an orangutan. Orangutans have long arms and live in tall trees. Meerkat. This is a meerkat. Meerkats stand on two legs to watch for danger. Flamingo. These are flamingos. Flamingos stand on one leg and are bright pink. Jaguar. This is a jaguar. Jaguars are strong and eats with powerful jaws. Poison dart frog. These are poison dart frogs. Poison dart frogs are tiny and very colorful. Anteater. This is an anteater. Anteaters use long tongues to eat ants and termites. Tapir. This is a tapir. Tapirs have short trunks and love eating leaves. Capybara. These are capybaras. Capybaras are the largest rodents and love water. Armadillo. This is an armadillo. Armadillos can roll into a ball to stay safe. Now, if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the like button. See you next time with more fun learning videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.